Hi friends, this is 𝗦𝗪𝗪𝗔𝗪𝗞𝗟𝗢𝗢𝗓. So we're here in Binucot Beach Resort, here in Ferrol, Romblon Island, Philippines. So let's take a look around Binucot Beach Resort. Okay, so here's the beachfront of Binucot Beach Resort. Okay, so here's their contact number. So Binucot Beach Resort. Okay. Okay, so Binucot Beach Resort is one among the few beach resorts here in Binucot Beach, Ferrol, Romblon. Okay, so they only have 6 rooms here. So our room there is room number 4, so that's our room. And they do have a swimming pool here. So this resort has its restaurant and bar. So let's check out the restaurant. So here's the restaurant of Binucot Beach Resort. Hello. So you meet Peter. He's the owner of Binucot Beach Resort. I'm just taking video for YouTube. So let's take a look at the beach front of Binucot Beach Resort. Okay, so it's a bit cloudy today. So there's the beachfront of Binucot Beach Resort. Okay, the rooms here are affordable. So we got our room for 1,800 pesos. That's for 2 already. But we're 3, so we added 700 pesos. So that's a total of 2,500 pesos. So that's pretty much affordable. So there you go. It's Binucot Beach Resort.